What is the first thing that comes to your mind when you hear the name Giant?
Oxford.
Oxford.
Oxford. Basta Oxford.
The most unforgettable moment you had with Giant?
Ayun nga. Hindi kami umuwi nung Libatang, tapos nandun kami sa bahay niya. Tapos nag-text yung nanay ko, nireplyan niya. Yun lang, ang galing niya eh.
One thing you like most about Giant?
Dislike na. Ano siya? Mabait naman si Giant. Saka thoughtful siya, saka sweet, pero di ko sure.
Yun lang. Message mo and wish.
Message. Stay big. Stay healthy. Saka, study hard. Saka, ano ba yun? Ano pa? Message, saka
Wish.
wish. I wish your wish come true. Saka, more power to you. Parang ano lang eh. Good luck on your career and good job. Saka, ingat ka pagdating mo. Okay? Happy birthday. Happy fiesta na rin. Saka, Merry Christmas na rin. Happy New Year. Yan lang.